Alright, let's talk. You watched my last video and now you've got that horrible feeling that car design dream is a completely fantasy. It's a tough pill to swallow, I get it. Getting to this industry is nearly impossible. And the hard truth is that most graduates, even from the world's best design schools, will never design a car for a living. The competition is absolutely brutal. The jobs are basically non existent, and you're left holding a crazy expensive degree thinking, what now? I'm not going to sell you fake dreams. I'm giving you a real game plan. Forget the one in a million lottery tickets. We're talking about 5 real career moves I've seen people make over 20 years in this industry. Insanely smart, successful, and awesome moves. Your talent is too valuable to waste chasing something that isn't there. First up, the most powerful move you can make, the pivot. Your design skills aren't just for cars. They can make you a fortune in other industries. Think about yacht design. That industry is desperate for designers with an automotive background who understand beautiful surfaces and working with clients who spend millions. One of the most legendary car designers, Patrick Lequemin, the former design director at Renault, made this exact switch after decades in the car world. You get to work on insane custom projects and you're not fighting a million other designers for one job. Or what about product design? The demand for skilled designers in tech, electronics, and even furniture is exploding. They need your exact skills: user centered thinking, fast prototyping, and solving possible problems. You can also jump into the video game industry, which is always looking for elite 3D modelers and artists. Your ability to create insane worlds and amazing vehicles is a perfect fit. This industry is flooded with generalists. If you want to be untouchable, become a hardware specialist in a niche that everyone needs but almost no one has mastered. I'm talking about CMF, color, material, and finish, or becoming a good tire digital surfacer or clay modeler. These roles are not just important, they are essential in car design, and they're blowing up in other industries like tech and luxury goods. CMF designers are the wizards who decide how a product actually connects with the person, mixing art, psychology, and manufacturing. By becoming a specialist, you completely avoid the insane competition and make yourself irreplaceable. Specialists almost always get paid way more and have insane job security because their skills are so rare and so in demand. Okay, this move might not sound sexy, but it's one of the smartest plays in the entire game. Stop only thinking at the big car brand studios and go corporate adjacent. This means your target the gigantic supplier companies that design and build everything from car lighting and interiors to all the in-car technology. Companies like Bosch, Magna, and Denso have huge design teams. Even tech giants like Microsoft and Qualcomm are now basically auto suppliers. These jobs gives you stability, huge paychecks, and a real chance to work on insane future technology like user interface, new materials, and the entire digital experience inside a car. You're still 100% in the car world you love, but you've just skipped the soul crushing competition at the big name studios. Why would you ever bet your entire future on one job? Move number 4 is to build a hybrid career. Keep your day job, but start building something on the side that gives you a creative rush, and a second paycheck. You have skills that are worth a fortune, so go sell them. Start offering freelance design consulting. Create and sell online courses teaching people how to sketch or do digital modeling. This doesn't just make you more money, it builds your brand and explodes your network. This is the ultimate way to guarantee your career success while you figure out what you're truly passionate about. This last move is the biggest one and the most ambitious of them all. It's about creating your own path from zero. It's what I'm literally doing right now. You build a massive brand around your skills with a YouTube channel, a blog, or an online community. You package your knowledge into courses, or you offer high-level design work directly to your own clients. This move completely flips the game on its head. You go from being some employee to being an entrepreneur. It gives you total creative control. And if you do it right, the potential is literally infinite. You're no longer waiting to someone to give you permission to be great. You're building your own company, your own platform, and your own legacy. So, which of these 5 moves are you going to do? Are you thinking about the pivot or are you ready to build your own empire? Tell me in the comments below right now. And if you're here feeling totally lost after my last video, I want you to go back and watch it again. Understand the problem, then come back to this video and use it as the blueprint for your new life. And hit that subscribe button for more real talk about the design industry because your career is just getting started. The car design dream they sold you is dead, but your design career is not. It's not even close. Your ability to create, to solve problems, and to understand people is needed now more than it has ever been. It is time to stop being sad about the fantasy and start building your reality. This is not about giving up, it's about winning. Stop chasing the one in a million shot and start building a real, sustainable, and legendary career. Your future is way too bright to settle for anything less. Now, if you're serious about taking your portfolio to the next level and want my guidance, click on the card above to watch the video with the detailed information about my one-on-one mentoring program. We'll talk about your goals, your design style, and how to make your portfolio truly stand out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and drop the like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.